The following table contains the purchase prices and delivery costs per unit for plywood, siding, and lumber. If the supplier announces a 5% increase in all prices and delivery costs, find the matrix that gives the new prices and costs. So we have a table of information here, and I'm going to enter that into my matrix A. So it says that there's going to be a 5% increase in all prices and delivery costs. So I want to take the original matrix A and then add 5% or 0.05 times matrix A. And another way to write this would be 1.05 times A. So either way is okay. And if you enter that into the calculator, then you get 33.60, 24.15, 2.73, 3.15, 1.05, and 0.63. And I just want to label my matrix, and this will be my final answer.